In today's video, I do a little filter work on some air purifiers and our furnace. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Light Projects. Today's video, I'm going to go ahead and do some work on changing out some filters for our air purifiers and our furnace. I want to get this done before winter, especially the furnace. And the air purifier ones we're supposed to do for between 6 and 2 months, depending on the models I have. So, with that, let's get to work in my son and daughter's room, and we'll do that. Before we get started, let me show you the filters that I have. I got these off of Amazon, and they're for the blueair filters. The ones in my daughter, Matt, in my son and daughter's room are the 203s, the blueair 203s, and then in my room is the blue 211s. So with that, and the furnace one also is just a regular 3M one. So let's get to work. Alright, I'm in my son and daughter's room, and as you can see, it's a typical room for little kid, for 8-year-olds. They just put stuff everywhere. It always makes it so hard to, to get everything going here. So let me remove some of this stuff. There's the filter right here. There's the blueair 203? Yes, 203. So we got these filters. I think we've had them over 2 years now, and they work really good. Got them off of Amazon. They were on Consumer Reports. They were one of the best ones. So let's take all this out of the way. This. Maybe move off their Nintendo stuff. Alright. First thing we gotta do, let's go ahead and move this to this side like this. Turn it off. And filters we're gonna be using is this one right here. They're the filter 200s, they're called, and each one of these boxes we get is 2 true HEPA filters plus 6 pre-filters. So this is perfect for 6 months for each of my little ones here, the 203s. So let's get this open and let's start to do this. Alright, this is what the HEPA filter looks like, and the pre-filter. Let's go ahead and take out the old one. Woo! Holy smokes. As you can see, this one's been doing its job. It's caked on there. Now, before anybody says I don't clean my house or anything like that, we get it cleaned every 2 weeks. We get it vacuumed, dusted, everything. So that's just how good these are. They pull everything out of the air. Perfect. I'm gonna put these in a box over here to make sure I don't get the dust everywhere. Okay, here's the new one. First you put your filter in. You put it so you have your little grab tabs out. So it's easy to pull out. Push it all the way in. Then the pre-filter. And it has little Velcro pieces there around it, so it holds it on there. There you go, that's basically it. Next thing I want to do though is I get a wet paper towel here. I want to try to clean a little bit this off before I put it back on there, before I close up the grate. I'm going to get all of it on, or as much as I can. perfect. Yeah. Put that there. Let's go ahead. Put this back. You try to keep it away from the wall for a few inches, so you know it gets all the air, everything clean, or there's no obstructions for it. So let's turn it back on. Now, if you put stuff back up, there's a vent up here. Do not cover that vent, because it makes it work twice as hard when you do that. I have to tell my kids that all the time. They're always covering it with stuff. So let's put this back up. Animal Crossing, come on. Anyways, that's pretty much it for this. Let me go ahead and move into my bedroom and show you how I do that one. All right, this is my the 211 here, the blueair 211 I got here, and as you see on there, it's different from the other one. It's a lot bigger, and it has a light right here. It's red right now. What happens is when you can reset this, and it turns to light blue, then it turns to like a pink when it has a month left, and then when it turns to red, that means you gotta change it. And I just did that not too long ago, so it's ready to be changed. So let's get to work on it. This right here is a pre-filter for it. So what this is, I usually clean these every week or so, or every 2 weeks, just to make sure. So what you do is let's see. Let's take this off. There that is. Got two little things here to push in to take off. Alright, this is the filter that I'll be changing it with for the 211. So let's go ahead and take out the old one out and get it ready. Oh yeah, it's a dirty one. Let's go ahead and wipe around this a little bit, clean it up. Try to get as much of this off as you can. And the inside. Damn it. Here's the new one. Comes flat, then you fold it out, put it in the cage, right there. Now what I usually do is I'll get the pre-filter, I'll clean it up, and I'll put it on there before I put the lid on there. Alright, I got the pre-filter cleaned here. Usually with these they come with two of them, so it's easier to change out and everything like that. But of course, I lost mine on the first week. I think my dryer ate it and I never saw it again. I don't know. So, but it's nice to have two of them. So then you have to always be washing this one. Put that over like that. Like that, like that. Pull it all the way down. Alright, take the lid of it with all the Wait till it snaps on there, just like that. Now you go ahead and turn this on. What you want to do is, it's still red. What you want to do is you hold it down for a few seconds. Flashes. And then it turns to blue. Now it's ready to go for another 6 months. Alright, let's go ahead and do the last one in my youngest daughter's room. Alright, as you see, this is the same one. This is exactly the same one as the one in my older son and daughter's room. There you go. These are turned to like 2 so it ain't so loud. There's 3 levels on it. Now the good thing about these little ones, they come with these little sensors. See, I don't know if you can see it on there, but it's blinking blue. That means that it's time to change and the timer ran out. It's a countdown timer. What I usually do is I'll take it and I will just take a battery out to reset it. It has a reset on front, but it doesn't seem to work that well. It goes 180 days, 182 days. So, it's ready to go now. It sits right there with the magnet, it's perfect. Little light, the little blue light went out, so it's ready to go, and it's a countdown. So, that's it for the air purifiers. Let's go ahead and get up and do the furnace filter. Alright, this is my furnace filter here. I think in another video I showed you how I did it, but I try to do them all around the same time, either 2 or 3 months. I usually get the filters that are good for 2 to 3 months. Some of them you can buy for like a year. I don't think that's good, or 6 months. But I usually just get the filtrate ones, and I get like the cheapest ones, because if you get like the really thick HEPA ones, it makes your furnace work a lot harder, and I don't need that. The furnace is already over 12 years old. We're not ready to replace it yet, so let's go ahead and take out the old one. And there you go. Alright, there you got it. I'm sorry this video is not very much fun, but like I said, this is some of my projects I do. Some of them are fun with the kids, some with fun with just working on the car, some are just doing house stuff. So, with that, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Also, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And remember, every project you do, you are the project manager. Thank you.
Want to come in for a snack? Yeah.